Hi Javier, this is Norberto with a new recording on the property on 11910 Cedar Cliff. This is the property with a swimming pool. I'm going to show you here all these properties that I'm going to show you, they all have a swimming pool. The property on Cedar Cliff, the property that you like, it's 2,300 square feet, was built in 1974. So the rest of the homes that you see here, they're all 4 to 5 bedrooms. This is the properties that are recently sold, $212,000, $259,000, and $167,000, sold within the last 6 months. There are 2 properties under contract right now with a swimming pool, kind of the same square footage, similar year built, for $185,000 and $217,000. So here's details of all the properties. I'm going to include this on the email, but the $195,000 seems to be a fair price for the home, even though the home has been on the market for 152 days. The original price of this home was $230,000. Okay, talk to you later. Bye bye.